Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter 3 electrochemistry topic Nernst equation. First of all, what is Nernst equation? The quantitative relationship between the electrode potential and concentration of electrode is known as Nernst equation. First of all, consider a general reduction reaction. Metal ion plus electron gives metal in solid form. What is the relation for this reaction? Reduction potential in normal condition equal to reduction potential in standard condition from electrochemical series minus 2.303 RT upon NF log to the base 10 concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Students, the concentration of product in solid phase will be unity. Therefore, this equation becomes reduction potential of electrode in normal condition minus reduction potential of electrode in standard condition minus 2.303 RT upon NF log to the base 10 1 upon concentration of metal ion. Students, in this equation we are going to calculate the reduction potential of metal ion in normal condition other than standard condition with the help of standard condition. So students, we can see the value of reduction potential of any metal ion from electrochemical series. Minus 2.303 R is a constant T temperature at which we want to find out reduction potential, and number of electron participated in reaction, F Faraday constant, M is concentration of metal ion. For a general electrochemical reaction of the type AA plus BB, participation of an electron, CC plus DD. This relation is for a single electrode and this relation is for cell. Now E cell equal to E naught cell, like E electrode, E naught electrode. E cell equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF, 2.303 RT upon NF log to the base 10 concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Concentration of product upon concentration of reactant with their stoichiometric coefficient. In standard condition, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N. Students, whenever we will put the value of R, T and F in standard condition, the value of T will be 25 degrees Celsius. The value of R is constant, we know that very well. F Faraday constant 96500. After putting the values of this constant, we will get E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N log to the base 10 concentration of product ion upon concentration of reactant ion. Okay, thank you.